Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a new AI coding agent called as Deep Agent CLI. It's developed by Language Smith. I've given the link in the description of the video. So once you land on the page, uh, the interface looks something like this. To install this, it's quite simple. The command, you should have Python installed. So pip install deep agent CLI. So simply copy this command. I've already installed it. So once you go to the terminal section, you simply install this pip install deep agent CLI. So this works similar to Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Gemini, GPT, all the AI coding agents. So it's completely free to start with. It does provide you with free access. So after you install this, you simply activate and open this AI agent by simply typing decode. So simply type decode and then this AI agent will open. And for the very first time, it will ask for your name. And now we have various commands out there. So if you want to switch the model, you simply type slash model and you can basically switch the model right here. So various models are supported. You can either use Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet. We also have GPT, Quen. We also have DeepSeek, Kimi K2, Nemotron GLM. And for this, you just need to install the necessary provider such as Fireworks, OpenRouter, Olama, Meta. Every provider is supported. For that, you just need to install this. And by default, it provides you with the free access of Gemini Pro and Gemini Flash. So then you can ask any kind of question to it. If you simply type hi, you will see that it will respond to you. So it's quite a very good AI coding agent. If you are looking forward to it, you will see it responded to me. And we can actually ask any kind of question from here. Top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. You can ask a coding related question or any kind of specific question, it will answer to you. And it doesn't take too much time. It's very effective and it will save your time as well. So if you want to develop any kind of application, you can develop using this terminal coding agent. So it responded to you. You can see the top 10 frameworks. And then it also consumes the tokens as well. As you see, 15,000 tokens have been consumed. This is a cost. This is completely free if you are using it for the very first time. Then we simply tell build a image to PDF web app in browser, create the index. So then you can ask any kind of coding related question. I want this application, just create the HTML file. And then this agent will try to create the application. So once it finishes, it will actually give you a notification that the task has been completed. So it's actually developed by Language Smith. It does have a free trial as well. And if you do want to use paid models, you can just paste their API keys and get started. By default, you get a Gemini free model. So there, this is their documentation, LangChain documentation. You can simply see if you do want to read more about it. It has MCP support, Git integration, web search, also IDE integration, everything it is there. So all these features are present inside this. So now it actually created the file here. As you see, you can approve or so once you approve this, it will create this file. So you can see now it created the file here. It also given you the description, what the file has created. So it successfully created this application. As you can see that it given you a description as well. You can switch to any model. There are various commands out there. You can copy, clear, cost. It will give you the cost here, total cost, which model you are using, every information which will be displayed. So if you do want to authenticate automatically when once you install this, Gemini API key will be set. And if you do want to try out any other provider, let's suppose Anthropic, you do need to paste their API key. Simply sign up inside Anthropic, just paste your API key right here, and then you can safely use this Claude model directly. Same goes with any other provider. Let's suppose OpenAI, again you do need to paste their API key. So the configuration is quite simple inside this AI coding agent. And DeepSeek, for this you do need to install the DeepSeek integration. And if you enter it automatically, this will install DeepSeek inside your system, and also it will add the provider package to the current environment. So Grok, Hugging Face, Meta, Open Router, each and every provider is there, guys. Definitely check this AI terminal coding agent. It's quite simple to start and install. Definitely check this out. I've given the link in the description. So